Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here. To take motion photo we have to tap on the settings bar on the second from the right button, and as you can see, just one tap to turn it on, another tap to turn it off as we need. When we have it turned on, we can take 2-in-1, so we get the short clip and the photo at the same time. Let me show you how it works, so let me take a picture. To see it, let's move to this button from the right that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with option View Motion Photo, so let's play it. And now we can see the short clip. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.